Highways in Chuchanpur and Bishnupur district of Manipur will be closed in connection to the visit of Japanese Prime Minister Shinzo Abe and his Indian counterpart Narendra Modi to the state on 17th of this month. The stay was taken up as a security measure by Bishnupur district administration in relation to the visit. 2 persons were killed in police firing at Guwahati, Assam yesterday during an anti-CAB protest that raged the state over the past few days since the contentious bill was passed in Rajya Sabha. On the other hand, 5 persons including a policeman sustained bullet wounds in the violent protest, media reports said. The Dibrugarh District Administration in Assam relaxed the indefinite curfew today for 7 hours from 6 am to 1 pm, even though mobile internet services remain suspended. Media reports said that the curfew imposed in Guwahati on Wednesday evening, however, has not been relaxed. The indefinite curfew was clamped in Guwahati and Dibrugarh after the anti-CAB protest turned violent in the city. Northeast is on the way to face an artificial scarcity of petroleum products as well as other essential commodities very soon. According to sources, the Indian Railway authorities have been instructed to stop the movement of goods trains, including trains carrying petroleum products, to the northeast, citing the unrest going on in the region in protest against CAB 2019. During a day of mass protests across the northeast region, agitators took to the streets of Meghalaya capital Shillong to express their resentment for the contentious legislation. As per reports, the protests turned unruly in several parts of the city as angry mobs set fire to cars and involved in other acts of vandalism, which led to the breakdown of the law and order situation in the state.